Hi, my name is Manuela Mabutu from Shallow Water Ecosystem at Nelson Mandela University. I'm postdoctorate research fellow and I'm here today with the Zostera 37 Estuaries project team. And we are out here today in Swartcourt Estuary doing some seagrass sampling. Seagrass is really important because it acts as nursery area for many fish and invertebrates. It also acts as carbon sink, which helps mitigate climate change and also protect coastline. Zostera capensis is an endangered species, so it's important that we map and assess its condition so that we can conserve it.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm part of the Shallow Water Ecosystems team and I'm going to explain some of the methods that we do for the Zostera capensis sampling.
At each estuary, we select 5 sites where possible, with Site 1 located close to the mouth and Site 5 located as far upstream as Zostera capensis occurs.
So once we've chosen a site, we sample from the exposed bank until the water's edge if possible, and we use a 50 by 50 centimeter quadrat placed in 3 spots along this continuum. Within the quadrat, we try and choose an area which has 100% Zostera cover, and then we measure the water depth of each quadrat, we measure the percentage cover, and we estimate any epiphyte cover that may be on the Zostera, and we make any notes of what we see. So if the Zostera is muddy, if there's any macroalgae in the quadrat, we take it in a sample bag for identification in the lab. And then once we've done all this, we measure the 10 longest Zostera blades using a meter stick. At each site we take YSI readings and we take a macroinvertebrate sample using a sweep net, and we make any notes of pressures or interesting features that we see, and we count and identify the birds that are in that site.
At the subtidal edge adjacent to the Zostera capensis beds, the sweep net is pushed at a 30-degree angle at between 30 to 50 centimeters depth in the opposite direction of Zostera capensis blade flow for 10 meters. The contents of the net are emptied into a plastic bucket with water and the net is rinsed. Any larger animals, including fish, are recorded, measured and photographed before being released. The remaining sample is then sieved over a 500 micron mesh, after which it is collected in a labeled plastic bottle. "95% ethanol is added to the bottle to preserve the sample." These data on the seagrass and site characteristics informs the conservation and management of estuaries, in particular where sensitive areas of the estuary are located and how these must be protected.